The unfolding drama. Senator Warren demands SEC probe into Trump's alleged market manipulation. The American political landscape is once again ablaze with accusations of potential market manipulation, this time centering on the controversial actions of former President Donald Trump. A powerful coalition of senior Senate Democrats, spearheaded by the formidable Senator Elizabeth Warren, has penned a scathing letter demanding a thorough investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Their central allegation: that Trump's erratic pronouncements on global tariffs constituted a deliberate and potentially illegal attempt to sway the market for personal gain, enriching himself and his associates at the expense of the American people. The letter, a potent blend of political maneuvering and legal scrutiny, zeroes in on a specific sequence of events that unfolded with breathtaking speed and dramatic market repercussions. It all began with Trump's audacious tweet, emblazoned across social media in all capital letters: "This is a great time to buy." This seemingly innocuous message, however, arrived amidst a period of extreme market volatility, with U.S. indices plummeting. The timing couldn't have been more suspicious. Hours later, a stunning reversal. Trump announced a 90-day pause on numerous tariffs. The effect was immediate and dramatic. The S&P 500 surged upwards, recovering several percentage points in mere minutes, a stunning turnaround that marked the index's best single-day performance since the harrowing aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. This dramatic shift, the senators argue, raises serious questions about potential insider trading and market manipulation. The letter directly accuses Trump of orchestrating a carefully planned scheme, leveraging his immense influence over the market to create artificially volatile conditions. This volatility, they contend, allowed him and his inner circle to profit handsomely, while ordinary American investors bore the brunt of the risk. We urge the SEC to investigate whether the tariff announcements, which caused the market crash and subsequent partial recovery, enriched administration insiders and friends at the expense of the American public. The letter states unequivocally. The senators specifically demand an examination into whether anyone within the Trump administration, including members of his family, possessed prior knowledge of the impending tariff pause. Did they use this privileged information to execute lucrative stock trades before the official announcement, gaining an unfair advantage over the general public? This is the central question that lies at the heart of their demand for a full-scale SEC investigation. The letter doesn't stop at accusations of insider trading. It also delves into the broader context of the Trump administration's alleged attempts to undermine the SEC's ability to effectively regulate the markets. The senators express grave concerns about the Trump administration's actions, including federal staff cuts and other measures designed to weaken the agency's power. They raise crucial questions about the SEC's capacity to conduct thorough investigations, pursue enforcement actions, and respond adequately to large-scale market events. They suggest that these deliberate actions may have directly hampered the SEC's ability to fulfill its critical mandate of protecting investors and maintaining market integrity. The senator's letter goes beyond simply alleging wrongdoing. It lays bare a deep-seated concern about the integrity of the American financial system and the potential for abuse of power by those in positions of authority. The scale of the alleged manipulation, the speed of the market reaction, and the potential for widespread financial harm to ordinary citizens all underscore the gravity of the situation. The demand for a comprehensive investigation is not merely a political maneuver. It's a crucial step to ensure accountability and protect the integrity of the American financial markets. The SEC's response to this forceful appeal will be closely watched, not just by financial professionals and market analysts, but by the American public, acutely aware of the potential for powerful individuals to exploit their positions for personal enrichment. The stakes are high. The outcome of this investigation will have profound implications for future regulatory oversight, financial market stability, and the public's faith in the fairness and transparency of the American financial system. It's a battle for financial integrity, a clash between powerful political forces and the critical need to protect ordinary investors from potential market manipulation. Senator Warren and her colleagues have thrown down the gauntlet, and the eyes of the nation are fixed on the SEC's response. The unfolding drama promises to keep the American public captivated as the fight for market integrity continues to play out on the national stage. The question remains, will the SEC conduct a thorough and impartial investigation, or will this critical issue be swept under the rug, leaving the American public vulnerable to similar schemes in the future? The answer, in time, will reveal much about the integrity and effectiveness of American regulatory oversight.